Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hair channel. Today we would like to bring to you our Bond Straight Hair product. Bond Straight Hair is a best-selling product and has a lot of customer interest because it has variety of color for customer to choose and suitable for everyone. About Bond Straight Hair, we have two main hair products: Bond Straight Hair in natural black and Zen color collection. This one is Bond Straight Hair in natural black color. There are two standards to choose. The first is the super Bond Straight Hair and second is normal Bond Straight Hair. You can see difference between these Bond Straight, super Bond Straight Hair and normal Bond Straight Hair. Super Bond Straight Hair is thick hair and full length. You can see. And but normal Bond Straight Hair is thin hair and have short hair. Okay, next is another kind of Bond Straight Hair that we have is 10 color collection with 12 color from 6 inch to 36 inch.